Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to publish your work in Google Sheets into a website or into landing page. So actually it's really easy to do. Here I have my Google Sheet contain this sheet. It's contain about image and the URL. Now I want to make this content to publish on a website, so people no need to open as a Google Sheet, but it will be opened as just ordinary website. What you have to do, you just click this file, and then you can click this share, and then you can click this publish to web. And then make sure you don't share your entire document, actually, if you intend to, but I'm here want to share only the sheet number 54. Wait, I will, this is the 54, and then I will share as a link of web page. And then also I can change how this content is updated, so I only choose this sheet 54. So the website or the landing page will be updated if I update on the sheet 54 only. So I can click publish, click OK. So this is the website, this is the landing page. I can click here, and then I will go to this website, and then see I have a simple website, simple landing page, just exactly as my Google Sheets. But the thing is, if you try to make this website as a mobile friendly, it's nearly impossible. So this is only for your internal use, like for increase your productivity, to put some links to or to present to anybody on your meeting and so on. But for public, I don't recommend to use this method. Okay, this very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel, or you can just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate it. We will really appreciate that. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.